Hey there, adventurers! Are you ready to embark on the most exciting journey of your life? Ready to be the coolest travel expert around? Whether you're heading to a new city, a different country, or just a fun road trip, I've got you covered. Today I've got the ultimate travel hacks just for you. These tips will make your trip smoother, more fun, and totally unforgettable. Let's dive in. First up, always pack your own travel bag. Trust me, it's way more fun and you get to bring all your favorite things. Plus, it teaches you responsibility and makes you feel like a true adventurer. Grab a small backpack and fill it with snacks, a water bottle, some toys, and a book or two. You'll be prepared for anything. And remember, keep it light so you can carry it easily. You don't want to be weighed down by a heavy bag when you're exploring new places. Next, make a travel checklist. Writing down what you need helps you remember everything. Got your toothbrush? Check. Favorite stuffed animal? Check. And don't forget your headphones. They're perfect for listening to music, watching movies, or playing games during your journey. You can make this list with your family and even draw little pictures next to each item. It makes packing a fun activity rather than a chore. Here's a super cool hack: download your favorite games and shows before you leave. That way you can play and watch even if there's no Wi-Fi. No more boring car rides or long waits at the airport. You'll have endless entertainment right at your fingertips. Plus, you can share with your travel buddies and have double the fun. Imagine playing a game together or watching a funny show with your friends. Now let's talk about snacks. Pack a variety of your favorite treats like fruit snacks, granola bars, and some chocolate. But here's the trick. Use a pill organizer to keep them all separated and easy to find. Genius, right? This way, you can have a little bit of everything without making a mess in your bag. Don't forget to bring a travel journal. It's a fun way to remember your adventures. You can draw pictures, write about what you did, and even glue in tickets and postcards. It's like making your own adventure book. Imagine looking back at it years later and reliving all those amazing memories. Here's a fun tip for staying comfy. Bring a small blanket or a big scarf. It can keep you warm, be a pillow, or even a picnic blanket. Multi-use for the win. And speaking of staying comfy, stretch your legs whenever you can. Do little exercises and walk around during travel breaks. It'll keep you feeling awesome and ready for more fun. Last but not least, learn a few words in the language of the place you're visiting. It's super fun, and people love it when you try. You can start with hello, thank you, and goodbye. You'll make new friends in no time. Plus, it shows respect for the local culture and makes your travel experience even richer. Alright, explorers, now you're all set for your next big adventure. Remember these hacks and you'll travel like a pro. Have fun and stay curious. See you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and adventures. Hit that bell so you never miss an update. Keep exploring, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye for now. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, so pack your bags, grab your checklist, and get ready to explore. And always keep a smile on your face, because every journey is a new story waiting to be told. Bye! See you on the next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and adventures. Hit that bell so you never miss an update. Keep exploring, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye for now. Bye! See you on the next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and adventures. Hit that bell so you never miss an update. Keep exploring, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye for now.